So growing a beard and maintaining it properly is actually the best chance you've got to look your best. And to do that effectively in the easiest way possible, let's take a look at some of the most amazing beard products that I came across. Do note that this video is not sponsored by any of the following brands. However, all of the products will be linked in the description alongside all the other important links. So this tiny little thing is actually a razor, and it is the shape and size of this thing that makes it special. Coming from Let's Shave, this product is called the Beard Pen Styler, and it is highly effective in making those tiny precise cuts and adjustments on the beard, such as under the nose, the cheek lines, the neckline, and even the jawline. And the shape of this tool allows it to be used in any of the above mentioned areas effectively without making any mistakes. And because this does not include any electronics, it is completely washable and reusable. But for all the dudes with a little curly beard that tends to be everywhere without a reason, this is the perfect tool. So this is a beard straightener, and it comes as a kit from the Bombay Shaving Company alongside a beard oil and a beard wash. And using this thing is really straightforward. You just need to wash your beard, apply the provided beard oil, and use the heated comb to straighten it. But I'm pretty sure the first two steps are not really that necessary, and you can use it on the go if you have to. Although I will not recommend using the heated comb without first applying the beard oil, as the oil also acts as a heat protectant for the beard. And the actual heated comb is covered with a non-heated one on the top, so that the heated comb does not make any direct contact with the skin, thereby making it safe to use. And it is really compact too, which makes it really easy to carry around wherever you go. So it will be really useful in those family functions where you have to work day and night before the actual day of the occasion. But I'm pretty sure a newer iteration of this product has come out, but don't worry, it will be linked in the description alongside everything else. But before we move on to the rest of the awesome beard products, I'd like to remind you that a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And the Alpha Army Discord server and Instagram page are both linked in the description, and it will be an honor to see you guys there. But for my brothers who like to keep their mustache up always, I'd like to showcase the Mustache Roll-On. Because we know keeping the mustache up high is actually a status symbol, as this is what the Indian kings used to do back in the old days. Not to mention, it can look really amazing on some men. Coming from Beardo, the Mustache Roll-On is highly effective in locking your mustache in place without ever making it stiff. And this is the ability that makes it stand out from all the other possible solutions and alternate products. But honestly, the ease and convenience of using this thing should alone make you buy this. You just need to roll it on your mustache, style it, and that's it. And it's gonna maintain its position for possibly the entire day. But to make every single change in the beard easier, no matter how insignificant it may be, we've got a shave gel. And there are some things about this particular one that makes it stand out. And of course, we are gonna need one if we are to style our beard for a really special occasion. But this particular shave gel, again coming from Let's Shave, is a little special, as one, it is transparent, so you know exactly where your razor is cutting the hair. And it remains transparent no matter how much you rub it on the face. Some of the other ones tend to lather up as we rub them, but not this one. And 2, it moisturizes the skin really well. So it is good for both cutting the hair while moisturizing the beard as well as the skin underneath. And do remember, you're moisturizing the skin prior to using the razor on it. So the damage done by the razor on the skin is gonna be minimized. Now remember, there are a ton of different shave gels available in the market that can probably beat this one in every single area, but this is just the one that happened to impress me. That's it. And last but not least, we all can agree that no beard video is ever complete without including one good beard oil. And currently I've been falling in love with the hair growth beard oil from Beardo. And actually this beard oil and the mustache roll-on are a part of this beard growth kit from Beardo. And the entire review of this kit will be posted on the channel shortly, so stay subscribed for that. But as for the beard oil, it has been really good in terms of styling the beard. I can't say it holds the beard in place absolutely all day long, but it definitely makes it much more manageable and straighter, as per my experience from the past month using it. On top of that, it makes the beard shiny in a really natural way that is kind of difficult to express in words. But some of the other beard oils just make the beard too shiny that looks too unnatural in my opinion. This is not one of them. And finally, it also smells really good, considering you're gonna apply it really close to the nose, so thumbs up for that. As for the improvement in the beard growth rate, I don't think it can beat the Ustra Advanced Beard Growth Oil, but nonetheless, it's a really good one. And that concludes the video, but do remember, all the important links are present in the description for my brothers to check out. And don't forget to subscribe for the Alpha Army, and I'll see you around.